Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa anniversary ng UFEA at kasama natin ang ilan sa mga entrepreneurs na naka-receive ng award as Outstanding Entrepreneur. So, Ate Sharon, ano man sabi nyo na isa kayo sa recipient?
Very thankful po ako kasi at least nare-recognize po nila yung mga entrepreneurs, yung mga small business owner dito sa Edmonton.
My name is Geoffrey, owner, operator ng GMAX Team Limited. We're very grateful to receive this award.
Congratulations sa UFEA, sa United Filipino Entrepreneurs of Alberta on its 4th anniversary. Congratulations po.
Hindi ko in-expect na ma-recognize. Napakasaya ko po. Thank you so much po sa UFEA.
Congratulations sa United Filipino Entrepreneur Association, UFEA, sa inyong 4th year anniversary at dito to ginawa sa Edmonton. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, UFEA, for giving this one, and thank you.
Ang ginagawa lang po namin dito sa UFEA is we network, we collaborate, and we are united.
This is a testament na marami tayong nai-inspire and hopefully we can deliver the service na yun din ang vision ng organization. Maraming salamat po.
So it feels so nice po na nare-recognize nila yung mga efforts po na ginagawa namin for the organization or association po, lalo na po sa buong Alberta.
It's an achievement for all of us po. This is so inspiring and I'm so honored, I'm so proud of everyone here who received the awards and all the inductees of UFEA.
Nakaka-proud para sa business namin as a beginner dito sa Alberta.
Thank you, UFEA, and happy 4th year anniversary.
4th year anniversary.